Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ke BJP uba AL hack habaya keren bar ki nong thok khubor halor ke Jingpynkheiñ baki arngut ki MLA ke BJP ki Ïarap ki Jaidbynriew ki bamdai ki khasi nakaliang uba hack ula ong bakam don kata ban ong baki Ïarap yano ki don hang ni ban Ïarap ya Baroh ula benrap ruda ka ba ong baki Ïarap ya Baroh ki Ïarap tang ye gano ka kinhon ki Ïarap ya Baroh bat ki badon kam bat kata ka de ka kamram jong ki nong yalam bat ka kam baki nong yalam jong ka BJP ki trei Shesho habakli hato kani kam dei ka Jingpynkheiñ ya ka Riti ka Dustur jong ka Jaidbynriew uba hek ulo ong bakam don ka Jingpynkheiñ mrei ki dei tang ki president jong ka society bat ki rang ba asnong ki don ban pej ya ki jing don kam Baroh.
Just a question of helping non-tribal does not arise at all. We are here to help all the people of Meghalaya, all the people who are the residents of Meghalaya. We are helping everybody who need our help. That's all only we know. It doesn't help only one community or one society. We help everybody who need our help. That is a duty and responsibility of the leader and also the BJP party. Tell me in which way we are violating the traditional institution. In which way, tell me. We are not violating anything. How we are violating? There's no question of saying that we are violating the traditional institutions.
By allowing that particular community, the committee to issue an OC instead of the Rang Bashnong.
So they are not the Rang Bashnong. I told them they are the president of the welfare society.